Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Xero account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you remove a team member or an accountant access in your Xero account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to remove a team member or a bookkeeper from your Xero account? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you work with various VAs, but they decide to go on their own way. So you need to remove access to your Xero account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Xero dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Xero account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove your accountant access, go ahead and click on your company name here on the top left. Once you do that, make sure that you're working in the correct organization. I just have this one right here. If you have other ones, they'll be listed here, and just click on the organization. Once you've done that, you want to click on this button here called Settings. Once you click on Settings, you're going to see these two drop-down menus, and you want to click on this button here called Users. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all the different users or accountants or bookkeepers that you have given access to your Xero account. So you just want to scroll through until you find the person you want to remove access to. So this one right here, and you're going to click on these three little dots next to their name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this one right here, delete, and then it's going to show their name. Okay, next you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to delete that user? Because they're going to lose access to your Xero account. If you're okay with that, click on yes, delete user. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person has been removed and their access is revoked. So they can no longer access my Xero account or the data within it unless I decide to add them again. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete access to one of the admins or users in your Xero account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.